And we are recording, we are live. This is my toy collection, my G.I. Joe. Yes, y'all. Got Snake Eyes, I got all of them. G.I. Joe. Loving this new camera. It's my artwork. My art on pillows. Yes, y'all. These are my figures. Like this high definition. Whoa, this is better than my previous camera. Whoa, this is really good. And I got my Titans Triptychon out here. Yes, y'all. Got Scorponok, Titans Scorponok. My artwork. There's Jim Lee. I got his artwork on the walls. Got his X-Men. Yes, y'all. Got his X-Men on the walls. I opened up Faker and Flying Fist He-Man yesterday. Yes, y'all. This is my Masters of the Universe Origins figures. King He-Man. I got the villains too. I got fans toys. This Flying Fist He-Man, the windy hair head. Yes, y'all. And more fans toys, more origins. Yeah, so I'm loving this new camera. I got my Jetfires. Yes, y'all. Nice Jetfire collection. Got me Motu Giants. KO Hulk. And my Origins Land Shark and vehicles. Got Ninja Turtles in the back there. Motu Mega Constructs. Legos. Yes, y'all. So I'm loving this new camera. I'm going to retire my old camera. This is my old camera. I'm blessed with food. Got good food. Salhali snacks, Ritz crackers, pitted dates, granola bars, roasted pecans. Yes, y'all. So, yes, y'all. This is my new camera. Yes, y'all. My artwork are art pillows. The day has finally come for my art pillows. Yes, y'all. So thanks for tuning in. This is my first video on the camera. And that is a wrap. Nice new camera. that is better than the previous model. That is a good camera though. I'm very happy with that. Alright y'all, let's take this down to the editing floor. Yes, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Set your order. And I am out.